been Arjun all the way. Nisham to bowl the final over into the innings. Sompal Kami goes deep at the crease over mid-wicket. That's another 4. It's raining boundaries at the moment, and Yaks are turning it on with a very fine counter-attack display in the middle.
In the previous over it was Arjun. Now it's the turn of the skipper.
And all of a sudden this partnership is worth 45 runs and 26 deliveries, and that run rate has got a facelift close to 6.5. Slower delivery as he found the fielder. Now he goes over him. We are watching 6 hitting at its very best here at the Tribhuvan University International Cricket Stadium. There's no respite for the bowler from both ends.
The beauty of T20 cricket. In the blink of an eye, a game can change, a momentum can shift, and courtesy of Sompal and Arjun, this match is just shifting.
Roll green mix. 7-3 and white.
Moving in the crease. That's in the gap as well. That's 4 more. 6-4, 6-4. It's just raining runs out here. This partnership worth 55 now in 28. And Captain Sompal is playing a gem of an innings.
All these fingers being pointed everywhere. Fielders moving in every direction. You have to have 4 inside the 30-yard circle, that's for sure. But no boundary is being protected at the moment because these 2 men are finding them with regularity.
And this is now the highest score so far in NPL Season 1, 134, the previous best being 128. Well, they're throwing their bat at virtually everything. There's a roar in the crowd. And this game has certainly... Oh, quick running, smart running. This could be curtains as well. Sompal Kami was pushing for the second partner, didn't respond in time. Arjun will have to depart against the run of play. And a breather here for the fielders. But what a partnership and what an innings by this man, the wicket-keeper batter, Arjun Garthi. Walks back for 33 and 22. He's done his job.
Well, for some reason, they decide to take 2 here because both have been hitting the ball powerfully. End up opting to throw it towards the bowler's end, and so it is Arjun Batalu who goes. What a wonderful innings, 33 off 22. He accelerated towards the back end. He's given his team a chance. The Yaks 135 for 7.
Gives the charge, finds another boundary, another very fine over, 19 runs so far with a ball to go. What a turnaround here by the Yaks. Just when you thought it was all over for them with the bat, they produced belligerence in the middle.
29 of just 12 balls. Well, you got to put your money where your mouth is if you're the captain that wins the toss and bats first, and your batting lineup is letting you down. He's taken matters into his own hands now, and he's given his team a real chance. Final delivery. Why did he do that? They've got to get 2 here. That's a poor bit of cricket from the Bolts in the end, and will ensure that the Yaks pass 140. What a finish to the Yaks innings.
Well, they did have an untidy start, but they've had a tidy finish and a strong one as well. The momentum with the Yaks as they head back to the dugout. You can sense a spring in their feet at the moment when they'll come out to defend 141. Great counter-attack and a great batting effort by Sompal Kami, the captain, 29 of 13, and Arjun 33 of 22. Just turn things around. What a match this is turning out to be.